Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. So in today's video we are going to see my personal experience about the product Lotus Herbals White Glow Skin Whitening and Brightening Gel Cream with SPF 25. So the product says that it is suitable for all skin types. So of course this contains SPF, that is the sun protection factor. So you don't really have to use a sunscreen in addition with this cream. So this is the 40 grams package of the product and it costs rupees 280 in Indian money. So this is the outer carton and they have given the complete ingredients list, the directions to use and the products and how it works. So everything, all the details, they have given it in the outer carton itself. So the major ingredients here are the grape extract, mulberry extracts, milk enzymes and saxifraga extract. So these are the major ingredients. So of course it is not 100% natural because they themselves have mentioned that the product contains methyl paraben, propyl paraben and artificial fragrances as well. So if you are someone who thinks that my skin does not take chemicals at all, or if you have taken much more care of your skin and if you're not willing to include paraben in your skincare routine, you can kindly skip this product because they explicitly have given that it contains parabens and artificial fragrances. So now on seeing the outer carton, let's see how is it from inside. Only the carton is so big compared to the product. So this is a cute tub packaging of the product. So it is quite small and it is of course recyclable because it is not a plastic. You can of course on completion of the product you can reuse it. So behind the tub they have given the place of manufacture alone and the expiry date. So this contains a screw open lid with a separator in it to prevent product leakage. So it is easy to take it while wherever you go. So this is not a spilling product because it is both the gel and creme consistency. So this is definitely not a spilling product, so you can take it wherever you go and reuse it whenever you want. So this is the consistency of the product. It is not so runny or so thick. It is both a gel and creme as mentioned in the product itself. So it is easily spreadable onto your skin, but make sure that you use the appropriate quantity or else the product might leave white residue on your skin. So make sure that how much ever you want, you just take that much alone. And for the fragrance part, most of the Lotus Herbals products smell alike. So I have tried one face wash and a body lotion from this. So both, that made me feel that even before I look out for the name, that the product made me feel that it is from Lotus Herbals only. So the products fragrance are alike. And of course it is not so bad. It is like pleasant and cool. The fragrance is cool actually. So as the product claims that it suits all skin types, definitely even from the oily to the combination skin, because the product is very light and it does not clog your pores and at the same time moisturizes your skin. So as you can see that after application the product has left a white residue on my skin. I am not sure if you could see on the camera, but I have a white residue left, but not on the place where I have applied it. Only onto my fingers I have the white residue. So make sure that you're not you don't leave the product like that on your face. Make sure you blend it really well. So as per the product says that it whitens and brightens your skin. It clears out any pigmentations, dark spots and clears out any uneven skin tone within 7 days. Of course, I have to mention here that this is my personal experience. The product really does nothing like whitening and brightening my skin. Of course, it gives a good glow to my skin. It moisturizes really well. It protects my skin from some harmful rays. So in these things, I'm like completely in love with the product. And this is also my second packaging that you won't really believe. So how do you even purchase it, that even if it does not claim to whiten and brighten your skin, you might ask. But of course the major reason why I purchased this again is what this does to my skin, in the sense it as I told you, it moisturizes, it protects from sunscreen, sorry shit Okay, it moisturizes my skin, it protects from harmful rays, and main thing is the product when I use it as a base for my makeup. So this product, it ensures that my makeup is not melted and gives a good enhanced look on application of makeup over the product. So in that way, I'm absolutely in love with the product because I'm getting a good glow to my skin on using this product. And it makes my makeup blendable, moisturizing, and the sun protection part. So because of these reasons, I purchased this. So some people with dark spots or uneven skin tone with pigmented skins, so if you believe that the product will show visible results in 7 days, of course, I think, because this is my personal experience and I have tried this product only on my skin, for my skin, and even I have a dark spot and I have uneven skin tone, but this product, no, it on application it gives a good brightened look. It will show your skin, it will make your skin a good glow, moisturized, soft, supple, everything it does. But in the long run, if you wash your face on using this now, it the glow and the whitened skin look, everything vanishes on washing off. So I don't think so. This product really whitens and brightens your skin, but of course, as I told you, the 4 points, it moisturize, sunscreen, and those things. It does that part really, really well. So I think I have shared whatever I know about the product, the price, texture, consistency, fragrance, whether it claims to do what it actually does. So everything I have shared with you. Apart from this, if you have any queries or any other product reviews which you want me to do, I'm surely ready for that. You can comment it down and make sure that it will be only my personal experience on giving the review. Okay, guys? And yeah, we'll finish the video by now. And if you like the video, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe it later, because 95% of our viewers are only watching it and not subscribing it. Please guys, put a lot of effort on my videos, kindly subscribe and support me. So yeah, we'll all meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Tata.